As climate change unfolds, we are going to need basic products, whether it's water or electricity, to cope with the challenges that climate change will pose. If resources are mispriced, if, for example, in my Los Angeles, water is currently priced at a half cent a gallon. This is a desert. And yet, rich people have swimming pools, there's green grass everywhere, and my wife and I walk the streets of LA seeing water wasted everywhere. To an economist, we know why. At a half cent a gallon, nobody has an incentive to conserve. And so in Climatopolis, I talk about if climate change is going to reduce the amount of water that the people of Southern California have, we need water prices to rise. That reflects scarcity. And my neighbors will imitate what my wife and I have already done of ripping out our green grass. We consume half our water outside. And so as climate change occurs, I, as an economist, want to see market prices reflect this scarcity, allow water prices to rise, and rational consumers will substitute away from it, the law of demand. And those who produce water appliances, whether it's toilets or others, will produce more water efficient products. Now, in the case of water, the mispricing is by government. It is not a for profit product. In the case of cars and gasoline, peak oil, as China and India industrialize, an environmental benefit of that is if we expect gas prices to be rising, then consumers will substitute from the Hummer to the Prius and the Tesla. And companies that produce green electric vehicles, anticipating that there will be large demand, will earn large profits and will devote extra R&D investments to come out with these products. And so in that sense, the anticipation of climate change helps us to adapt.